This here's Shivering Timbers at Michigan's Adventure, and here celebrating National Roller Coaster Day on one of my favorite wood coasters. This ride's roughly 1 mile of track and straight Airtime hills. It is fantastic. It's the main reason to come to Michigan's Adventure. This is Matt's first time at the park. He came here specifically for Shivering Timbers, and it did not disappoint.
It's pretty fun. Gonna hang on.
Yep, right at the end of the day, so nice sunset you'll be able to see behind us, and the ride's running nice and fast today. And you'll be able to see pretty quickly how much airtime this ride has.
Oh yeah.
Again, if anyone's on a coaster trip, this is pretty close to Chicago, so it's nice easy to come here. And almost at the top for the sea of airtime. And you'll be able to see towards the start, they have some RMC steel track. The ride's quite a bit different than the wood. Then it switches back to the wood for most of the layouts until the turnaround. Here we go down the drop. Airtime 1. And that's one way to celebrate National Roller Coaster Day on one of my favorite wood coasters, Shivering Timbers. Like I said, come to Michigan's Adventure. This ride's worth the drive. If you love airtime, you have to ride it.
Absolutely.
And it makes one heck of an impression for the parking lot too. Awesome.
That's great.